a phone rings. It's in Japanese, and suddenly every word you ever studied is gone. This is a call that scares every Japanese learner. So today, we are going to win it 3 times. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make 3 real phone calls in Japanese. Book a restaurant, make an appointment, and report a lost item. Real situation you cannot do online. You have to make a call. Here's why the phone call feels impossible. No body language to read. Lots of keigo polite language and fixed phrases you are expected to know, but that's actually the secret. Fixed phrases are expressions that people use the same way every time, so they can make speech sound almost scripted. A phone call is the most productive conversation in all of Japanese, and predictable means you can practice it until it's easy. And before our very first call, I'm going to give you the 1 phrases that rescues you in any call, even if you understand nothing they say. Miss it and then you'll panic. Get it? And you really cannot fail. Here it is. If they talk too fast, you say, もう一度お願いします. One more time, please. If you need to say slowly, ゆっくりお願いします. Slowly, please. That's your safety net. As long as you have these 2, you can never truly mess up a call. Got it? Good. Let's make our first call. Call 1. Restaurant. Role play. Staff. はい、桜亭でございます。
もしもし、予約お願いしたいんですか？
何名様ですか？
2 名です。
何時がよろしいでしょうか？
明日の7時にお願いします。
お名前をお願いします。
イアンです。
かしこまりました。お待ちしております。
よろしくお願いします。失礼します。
See the pattern? もしもし。Your request answers 3 things. How many, what time, your name, then close. That's the whole frame. You'll see it again right now. Quick reminder. If Ian's first call made this feel durable, tough like, it genuinely helps more nervous learners find this. Okay, call 2. The one where most people hang up. Call 2. Clinic or salon. はい、緑クリニックです。
もしもし、予約をお願いしたいのですか？
初めてですか？
はい、初めてです。
どうされましたか？
喉が痛いんです。
では、明日の3時はいかがでしょうか？
お願いします。
お名前をお願いします。
イアンです。
かしこまりました。保険証を持ってきてください。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
Same sentence pattern, just one extra question. First time, and what's wrong? If you missed anything, that's what the rescue phrase is for. Now, call 3, and this one has the phrase Japanese people love hearing from a non-Japanese. Stay with me. Call 3, lost item. はい、カフェピオです。
もしもし、すみません。忘れ物をしたかもしれないんですか？
いつ頃ですか？
さっき1時頃です。
何を忘れたか教えてくれますか？
青い傘です。
お調べします。少々お待ちください。ございました。
よかった。今から取りに行きます。ありがとうございます。
かしこまりました。お待ちしております。That's よかった。said with real emotion, then applied. ありがとうございます。Natural emotion plus correct brightness, that combination is what makes a Japanese person think, oh, this person rarely speaks Japanese. Recap, that's it. 1 opening, 3 answers. 1 rescue phrase, 1 close. 3 different calls, the same simple sentence pattern every time. You don't need to be fluent, you need a script. And now you have 1. If this took even a little of the fear away, do 2 quick things for me. Hit subscribe if you like this video. I post real world Japanese like this every week. And I love to have you here, and tap like so the next nervous learner finds it too. Then tell me in the comments which code scares you the most. 1, 2, or 3. I read every single comment and I genuinely look forward to them. Want more practice out loud with people cheering you on? Come join us in the Speak Nihongo Now community on School. Links in the description. Listen, freezing on the phone doesn't mean you are bad at Japanese. It means you are brave enough to try in real life. So pick one call this week. Make it, mess it up a little. That's how it gets easier. You've got this. I'm cheering for you. Want to practice this out loud with people cheering you on? See you in my community. Speak Nihongo Now on School. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。See you next time.